Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for tuning in, and hopefully this video makes it on my channel. The last two didn't work out, but hopefully this one will. So today we are going to be taking care of some potato plants that need taken care of, and I'll get right to you and show what I'm doing with those. I put them in these tires, and then my plan was to stack the tires as the potatoes are growing and I fill in the dirt. But then I had some animal come in my potatoes, the ones that were not in the tires. So I just went and did them all in as many of the tires that I had tires for. And now today they're pretty tall. I'm going to put some more compost around them to fill it up. So we'll get right to it. This is some farm fresh compost. You don't want to cover up the plant too much and leave the top of it sticking out. And the reason you want to stack it up like this, the reason you want to cover the plants is if you keep the main stem covered with dirt as they're growing, it will grow more off of the main stems and give you more potatoes per plant. So however well you cover it but leave the tops out, you'll get a bigger crop. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I got them all done now. I also used some regular dirt from the garden. And if you have these planted like in rows in the garden like this, I got a short one here and one over there. Make your rows wide enough where you can run your garden tiller through it and then till it up in between the rows. Then take a hoe or garden rake from the loose soil and just do it from the loose soil that you worked up with your garden tiller. But these rows they just got messed up when I put the rest of them in tires too, so it doesn't really work out for me doing it like that this year. So anyway, when they get taller again, I'll just repeat the process, keep repeating it until the plants die off, and then we can harvest the potatoes, which will be until about this fall. So alright. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and I hope that really helped you guys out if you're trying to have a garden and don't really know how, or want to try potatoes. So thank you for tuning in, guys, and if you're new and haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And I got over 130 subscribers now, thanks to all of you. And hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.